Good morning. It is Wednesday, January 31st, and here to give everybody an update. For those of you that haven't watched my channel before, my name is Drew. I go around and do some First Amendment audits, discover what's going on with the government, and run a small business. That's why I got into this, is because I saw government corruption. So anyways, I'm following up on my story with my illegal arrest by Carson City Sheriff's Deputy Jason Bueno.
Put that down. Put yours in the
hotbox me.
I have the air back there going.
Well, you rolled up the window that left a breeze.
What's that?
Yeah, you rolled up the window that left a breeze. So like I said,
Yeah,
I figured you were just trying to hotbox me.
So.
Jason Bueno. And what's going on with that? And for those of you that haven't seen any of this before, go back through my history. I'll post a link to a couple of the videos that are related to this, the arrest, etc. But what's going on over the last few days is I discovered I was trying to be served by the Washoe County Sheriff's Office Civil Section. Got in touch with them. There's a video about that. You can listen to the conversation. Made arrangements to be served at my office. Got a phone call back saying that they couldn't serve me, and they canceled that appointment. That happened yesterday. So yesterday I was driving back home, and I got another phone call. So dressed up in a tie today. I'm going to let you watch the video of the phone call that I got. It's me driving, so enjoy the view of me driving and listen to the words. And I'll be right back with today's issues and let you know what's going on and let you know the plan. So here you go. Hello, this is Drew on a recorded line.
Hi, Drew. This is Kristen from the Carson City Sheriff's Office. How are you?
Hi there. You're trying to serve me.
Yeah, I have some paperwork for you.
Cool. But I've got court tomorrow on the paperwork, and I haven't been served yet. Doesn't seem like due process to me.
I'm not sure. It looks like you got January 31st at 10 a.m.
Yeah. That's why I'm wondering how I can have court tomorrow at 10 a.m. when I haven't even been served yet and have an adequate time to respond.
It came from the courts today. We just processed the paperwork, so yeah. I just wanted, it sounds like you wanted to set up a meeting so that I can get the paperwork to you.
Well, if you want to come to my house tonight, I can meet you out there, or if you want me to, I'll come to the courthouse tomorrow. Just to object to what's going on, because like I said, I don't believe this is proper service and notification. It's a violation of my 14th Amendment and Article 1, Section 18 Nevada Constitution, Bill of Rights. So I'm seeing a problem with this.
So, do you live in Carson City?
No, I live in Washoe Valley.
Okay,
but I mean,
so,
if you want to get me tonight, I'm gonna be back at home, so you got to cross into Washoe Valley to serve me, or if, like I said, you want to serve me in Carson City, you can come to the courthouse tomorrow morning, and I'll be there to make sure I'm available to the court, because I don't want to disrespect them even a little bit.
Okay, do you want to set up a time for tomorrow? I was going to say if we can meet you tomorrow morning, or if you want to come by the sheriff's office tonight. Our office closes at 5, but we can leave it.
The problem is I can't come in the sheriff's office under threat of arrest from Jason Bueno and Kenny Furlong, because I record all my interactions with government. And you know those signs they put up outside that said Marcy's Law? At the Carson City Sheriff's Office. Yeah, go look at the door. There's signs there that says no recording because Marcy's Law, we got to protect victims' rights. So I'm going to tell you my frustration with that. Hopefully that's okay. Do you know anything about the Nevada State Constitution?
I understand your frustration. I just have to get this paperwork to you, and you can come to the sheriff's office and pick it up.
Oh no, I can't because I'm going to record, and I refuse to come and not record.
If you want, so this would be my best solution for you, because when you walk in, there's 2 sets of double doors. The first set of double doors to the left, there's a black phone on the wall.
Yeah, Sheriff Furlong was clear. I couldn't use that. Under threat of arrest.
Dispatch?
Under threat of arrest.
Okay.
So therein lies the problem. Like I said, Jason Bueno, the guy that's afraid of me, and I don't. Do you know the story about why you're serving me?
Like I said, I just do the paperwork part of it.
Well, there's a video out there. I'm a guy that started a YouTube channel, and so I film my government interactions. And what happened is Deputy Jason Bueno on August 30th, he did a 40-second investigation on me before he arrested me and put me in handcuffs. And then Deputy Jason Bueno put me in the back of his patrol vehicle on a 95-degree day, and he closed up all the windows and he hotboxed me. Now, evidently, I'm guessing that he feels threatened by my video showing what he did for some reason, and that's why he wants to give a protection order you're trying to get me to go in front of the judge for? Is that what it is?
I can only tell you it's just an order to set hearing.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so anyways, that's the story, and if you're interested, go online. My channel is called Auditing Reno 911, and you can watch what I'm telling you, and you can see if you think that law enforcement should act like that. And so that's all that I'm simply doing, is I'm telling people about the actions of our government, and it appears that the guy with the gun and the badge is very afraid of this. But you can meet me. I'll be at the courthouse probably about 9:30 in the morning at Reno Justice Courthouse, so you can meet me there. And I'll take that service then right before the hearing.
And
I don't want to avoid it.
This one's for Carson City Township Justice Court, not Reno.
Yeah, I'll be in Carson City Justice Court tomorrow morning on the second floor, right? Just to clarify where we're at, on the second floor, Reno Justice Court.
Carson City.
Or Carson City Justice Court. I apologize. Carson City Justice Court, second floor, next to the sheriff's office, and I should be pretty recognizable. If you watch the video, you'll know what I look like.
Okay. And you said 9:30?
Yeah, you said court's at 10, right?
Yes.
Yep.
10 a.m.
So I'll be there at 9:30 to make sure I can check in and, deal with whatever it is I'm supposed to deal with here.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Have a good night.
Okay, you too.
Drive safe.
Look forward
Bye-bye.
to meeting you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Anyways, so the plan is, obviously, I'm got my court suit on here, little tie, little jacket. Gonna go to court. Gonna go respond to whatever allegation it is that's going on. I have not been served legally. I know about it because, well, the service people have told me about it. So at least I can go in there and prevent any summary judgments or anything like that. Spent last night writing a few documents for the court. So one of them's a motion to remedy the problem of not being served, and I'm more than happy to take service and deal with the issue and confront it. But I just don't want the time clock to start running until the time clock legally starts running and gives me the due process to go consult with counsel, get counsel if I want to hire counsel, figure out a pro se argument if I want to do that, just understand what their allegations are that I've done, and move forward from there. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a live stream as much as I can from the courtroom today, probably mostly outside the court. I don't know if the judge will give me permission to record it in the courtroom. The court rules say that I've got to do a 24-hour notice before I can record in the courtroom that the judge has to approve. I was only given 17 hours of notice before the court date, verbal notice, not lawful service. But I was given verbal notice about 17 hours before I had to be at this court date today. So obviously, if the court requires a 24-hour notice to record for media purposes, I didn't meet that. So I'm going to submit that to the judge this morning and request to record all of the procedures that we deal with. So anyways, look for me live here in just a little bit. Perhaps we'll get to see Deputy Jason Bueno in the hallway, and perhaps we'll get to talk to his attorney. Well, we'll see what happens today. I'll let you guys all know and keep you informed. I appreciate watching the video. Make sure if you haven't subscribed, do that. Hit the like button, make a comment, all that other good happy stuff. And have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.